Hello everyone, welcome to Innovative Science Activities using LABOXD Science Kit. Activity is Coloring Robot. Let us begin the experiment. A procedure sheet, a boat with required items, a fan. One wing of this fan is cut to create vibrations during spinning. Four sketch pens, a battery. It has two terminals, the positive and the negative. Remove the plastic cover of the battery before using. A DC motor with connecting wires. Red wire is for positive and black one is for negative. Now take the board and separate the cuttings. Fix the sketch pens to the four sides of the board as shown. Fix the motor at the center of the board. Now we have to keep the battery on the board. Use double-sided gum tape for this purpose. Keep the battery on the gum tape. Now fix the fan with 3 wings to the motor. Take a white sheet for drawing. Now we have to connect the battery to the motor. I have connected one terminal. Remove the cap of the sketch pens. Now it is ready to color. Complete the connection. Keep the robot on the white sheet. Wow, it is amazing! Enjoy your coloring robot. It makes different patterns. We can use different color sketch pen. Observe your coloring robot. This is really a fun, enjoyable, exciting, and also a knowledgeable activity. After the use, disconnect the battery, put the cap of the sketch pens and keep it safely. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed today's activity. Please like, share and subscribe to watch more such activities.